There is a legendary name in photography that doesn't just sell cameras, it sells a philosophy. For over 100 years, the Red has represented a refusal to compromise. But right now, in February 2026, something is shifting in the air of Wetzlar, Germany. For the first time in a decade, Leica is facing a crossroads that could either alienate its most loyal purists or redefine the rangefinder forever. The era of the Leica M12, the most controversial, most anticipated, and potentially the most high-tech camera to ever bear the M series name. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you are a street photographer who lives and breathes for the optical rangefinder, or if you've been waiting for Leica to finally join the 21st century with features like IBIS and a hybrid viewfinder, you cannot afford to turn this video off. We are diving deep into the February 2026 breakthrough. I have gathered the leaked survey results sent to top-tier collectors, the patent filings for a revolutionary new sensor architecture, and the truth about why the M12 was delayed from its original 2025 window. In this video, we are going to explore the leaked Heritage Edition strategy, the shocking rumor of a 100-megapixel sensor developed entirely in Europe, and why the removal of the ISO dial might be the smartest move Leica has made in years, or the one that kills the M-line soul. By the end of this audio, you will know exactly when the M12 is dropping, why the MEV was a distraction, and whether you should sell your M11 today before the market shifts forever. Let's start with the most explosive leak of the month, the European sensor. Since the M11, Leica has relied on customized Sony sensors. They were brilliant, they were high resolution, but they weren't Leica in the way the old M9 CCD was. But internal documents and recent interviews with Andreas Kaufmann have confirmed a massive pivot. Leica is reportedly moving back to a proprietary sensor, developed in-house and manufactured in Europe. Why does this matter? Because the M12 isn't trying to beat Sony at their own game anymore. This new sensor is rumored to skip the traditional phase detection pixels that clutter modern sensors. Because the M series doesn't use autofocus, Leica can optimize every single pixel for light gathering and color science. We are talking about a triple resolution sensor that could hit 100 megapixels, but with the organic look of film. If the leaks are true, the M12 will have a dynamic range that exceeds anything currently on the market, including medium format. But there is a feature being whispered about in the dark corners of the internet that has the purists terrified. IBIS. In-body image stabilization. For years, the official line from Wetzlar was that the M-body was too small to fit a stabilized sensor without making the camera thicker. But a leaked CAD drawing from early February shows a redesigned internal chassis. By removing the mechanical shutter entirely, following the lead of the M11P, Leica has reportedly found the 3 mm of space needed to float the sensor. Imagine it. A Leica M where you can shoot at half a second, handheld, and get a sharp image. For the street photographer working in the blue hour, this is a game changer. But for the traditionalist, it's blasphemy. They argue that the heartbeat of the M is its simplicity. If you add magnets and moving parts, is it still a Leica? This debate is tearing the community apart, but Leica's recent customer surveys suggest that the market is ready for a pro rangefinder that doesn't require a tripod at night. But let's talk about the